How to install and use RealDBrid on Kodi/Firestick. First, subscribe to RealDBrid and create an account. Choose a premium plan that suits you for the best streaming experience. Then open up Kodi on your Firestick. So turn on your Firestick and launch Kodi from your apps. Then access the Kodi settings. So from the Kodi home screen, click the gear icon in the top left. Then go select systems and navigate to add-ons. Then enable unknown sources if needed. So to do this, go to add-ons, unknown sources, and toggle it on to allow third-party add-ons. Then install a video add-on that supports dBrid. So go select add-ons, download video add-ons. Choose a popular one like Exodus, Redux, The Crew, or Siren. Then configure RealDBrid on the add-on. So open the installed add-on, go to settings, find accounts or dBrid section, select RealDBrid and choose authorize. Then authorize the RealDBrid. So Kodi will display a code on the screen on a separate device. Go to realdbrid.com/device. Enter the code shown on Kodi and press continue. Once authorized, Kodi will confirm RealDBrid is connected. Then start streaming with RealDBrid. Search for your movie or TV show within the add-on. You will now see high quality RealDBrid sources marked clearly. Select one, enjoy the buffer-free premium streams. If this helped you, subscribe.